Everyone, today I am going to share some strategy for better result. Okay, before start trading, as a trader, you should check always news. Okay, now I'm showing you how you can check news. For this, open your Chrome browser, then type investing.com. Okay, investing.com. Investing.com. After come to investing.com, you should click on three dot, then economic calendar. Okay, economic calendar. Here you will see today's news. Okay, for this you have to change time zone. We will -3. Okay, from there you select -3 as our board gives signal on -3 time zone. Okay, we select -3 time zone. Okay, here you can see there is a news on 21 and 2030. Okay, and this is low impact. Low impact means, okay, low impact means you should avoid trading in news session. Okay, let's check tomorrow. Tomorrow there is a lot of news. Okay, there is a lot of news. You should avoid trading before and after 15 minutes before news sheet. Okay, then you can see 20 low impact. Here you can see there is a euro impact is medium. Okay, if you see two bull, it is medium. If you see one bull, it is low impact. Okay, then you can see from 5 and 5:30 there is two medium impact news, so you should avoid trading from 4:45 to 5:45. Okay, then low impact, no problem, low impact you can see. Then again 14, there is a medium impact. You should avoid this pair, euro GBP এবং euro এবং GBP. Okay, pound এবং euro. Then you can see you can see all the news. Okay, if you want you can check weekly. Okay, weekly here you can see weekly, then 7. Before I start trading, you only check today's result. Okay, today today is Sunday, that's why there is less news. Okay, this is the most important. I repeat, most important to check before I start trading.